Hey there, fellow succulent parents. It's Steve and Altman Plants. If you follow us on social media, you probably know that we have a demonstrated affinity for a Altman Plants original hybrid that goes by the name of Aloe Swordfish. And unlike the swordfish that lives underwater, this swordfish has stupendously fabulous curvature to its swords, aka leaves, that make me think of it as more of a sea serpent, the kind that snack on wayward mariners in fantasy novels. And it also has lovely partially toothy margins, green and bright shade, more blue and sun, and it develops this really cool violet blush, especially in cool temps and/or drought stress. The flowers are nice, red, tubular, bloom a couple times a year, but what really does it for Aloe Swordfish is that jaw-dropping form. Look for it on shopaltmanplants.com or wholesale at cactusshop.com. Until next time, toodles.